After watching this video, you will love to make this plantain swallow because it's easily digested, it's easy to make, it doesn't contain any chemical or any additive or any preservative. So without much delay, let's get into the video as I show you how I made this plantain flour, also telling you health benefits of it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to prepare your plantain. So just carefully peel out the skin. There are two methods. Some people blend it with the skin. I will show you that method later. You can also decide to peel it out like this because I don't want it black. Okay, so after peeling, the next thing you want to do is to cut into smaller sizes that will be easily blended in your blender. So once this is done, the next thing you want to do is to transfer into the blender and have enough quantity of water for blending. Don't overwater it, okay? So once blended, the next thing you want to do is to transfer your already blended plantain into the pot and start stirring continuously. While the cooking is ongoing, let me tell you the health benefit of choosing plantain swallow over any other swallow. One, is very rich in nutrients. It contains high fiber, aids digestion, prevents constipation and promotes gut health. Second is high in potassium. Potassium helps to support heart health, regulate blood pressure and aid muscle function. Because they are low in calorie and also carbohydrates, they are very good in weight management. Its low glycemic index helps to regulate blood sugar level, making it ideal for diabetic patients too. Because it is gluten free, it's a great option for people with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. It also supports energy production because it is rich in complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy without spikes in blood sugar. It's also good for bone health because plantain contains a lot of magnesium and small amounts of calcium, which is essential for good bones, strong teeth. Okay? Because of its versatility and easy digestion, it is a very good swallow. You can eat it any time of the day, even at night. Don't be scared that you will have constipation. It digests in seconds. Okay, so it's best you inculcate plantain swallow into your diet because it offers a wide range of health benefits. So at this point, the plantain swallow is almost ready. So stir continuously until it is very thick like this. After that, you now add a little bit of water and cover it so that it can get cooked. I don't want to hear after eating this swallow I had stomach pain, I had constipation. Lie because it is tested and trusted. So after making this swallow, you will fall in love with it because it's so easily digested, and this plantain are in season now. I think it's a cheap option to any other swallow. You know how much a kg of semo costs in the market now? Yeah, that is it. Okay, so just add a little bit of water into this and cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes and allow it to cook under very low heat. So after that, now open again and again, stir. At this point, our plantain swallow is ready. These swallows can be best enjoyed with any soup of your choice, ranging from egusi, white soup, black soup, even stew. Just name anything. But on this very day, I enjoyed mine with some egusi soup. So guys, as always, if you have watched today's time, thank you very much. If you are new here, you are welcome, and to my returning subscribers, I don't take your love for granted. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any beautiful and interesting videos, as I'll be bringing to you new and interesting videos every week. And until next week when I come again with from me to you, I say thank you and God bless. Bye.